just about sunrise here in Richfield, Minnesota. I'm at Wood Lake, and there's been sightings, reports of a green heron. Wood Lake is home to a lot of different wildlife and bird life, and I hope to share some of it with you, but in particular, I'm hoping to see the green heron today. I've been out here looking for it for a couple of days now and haven't seen it except once, and I'll tell you about that later. I see the reports on the old Facebook about it being out here. There's snowy egrets here too, and I'm thinking, aren't all these birds supposed to be in Florida? Okay, I guess they migrate here, but it's cold. It's May 7th and it's 32 degrees outside. I have gloves on, I have a hat, 2 jackets. Okay, let's get started. We'll see you out there, and hopefully we can bring you a green heron today. Okay, just walking out and had a beautiful image of a white egret sitting on a stick here, a log, so I just pulled over real quick to take some photos and shoot some video of it. Okay, I'm in my location where I hope to find the green heron, and the reason I hope to find it here is because, a few days ago a birder told me that the heron is hanging out over here. So then on a walk another day, just walking, no camera, I walked right by this location and here was the green heron. Yeah. Of course, no camera. So that was back 2 days ago, and I saw another birder / photographer, and I asked him, and he had just seen it right here. So right here is where I am, and in just a moment I'll show you where I am. So I'm set up, I'm under my camo. I don't know, does this make a difference? It's really pretty dumb, but I'll try it. Worked for the wood ducks in the last video, so. All right, I'll show you where I am right now. Okay, I've been here a while now, and no green heron yet. So I did have a nice visitor from a tree swallow, which are very pretty. And lots of mallards around, lots of geese, a few hooded mergansers, a few wood ducks, but no green heron and no snowy egrets. So I'm gonna I'm gonna make a move and head on over to a different area and see if I can have some more luck. See you over there. Well, no green heron, but it's so beautiful out here this morning. Hard to complain. I think I'm gonna put the video gear down and finish my time this morning here, just shooting some still images, and while I still got this beautiful light. I'm a little sore because I have a torn left rotator cuff, so it makes all the work that much more challenging, to be honest. But I'm eating the pain because it's just too beautiful to not be out here. But I do have to finish up here in a little bit because I have to go get an MRI on the shoulder. So, no green heron this morning. I will be back. If not, well, maybe tonight. The weather's really nice today, so come back, try again. So we'll see you when we're back out here. So we're calling this segment 2.5. So when I left off on segment 1 in search of the green heron, I left a bit of an ominous message there that in fact I had a little tiny incident when I was finishing my still photography that resulted in 2 significant issues with my shoulder. I've fully detached a tendon in my shoulder and strained or tore my bicep tendon that connects up into the shoulder. So we're working hard today to still keep taking pictures, working through all that pain. I'll have to have surgery at the end of June, and that will be the end of my photography season for this summer anyway. So we're back at Wood Lake, and
I'm here at midday when green herons are supposed to be taking it easy. So perfect. And I came out the other day to pick up some garbage along the various little ponds and lakes here, and saw the green heron, beautiful, perched on a log. Yep. No camera. So I can go shooting now. It's beautiful out, and in addition to the green heron, I hope to spend a little time trying to work on some photos with orioles, Baltimore orioles. I believe the geese have gooselings now, so that could be fun. I saw some terns out here the other day that might be great to photograph if I can catch them, and whatever else presents itself to me. Very windy, so I'm going to try to minimize the segments from out in the field, but we'll see what happens. See you out there. You're not going to believe this. So after I left my car and started walking out here, I just stopped at the edge of this trail you see behind me. Where it comes out of the woods and into the water right behind me there. I stopped at a little park bench, went through my gear, got it ready, and I kept thinking, just be ready. Even though the odds were against me today for time of day. Another birder stopped by, said, what are you looking for? I said, green heron, but anything that's pretty. Okay, haven't seen it, good luck. I walk 30 feet from back down this trail right to where I am, and sitting within 5-10 feet of shore is a green heron perched on a log. I've spent 20 minutes filming and photographing it. I can't wait to share the video and footage with you. Now I'm going to get back to work, looking for some other beautiful creatures to photograph. Yeah. Okay, to quickly recap, we got the green heron. I didn't get it doing one of its quintessential feeding habits, which is dropping a twig or feather into the water beneath it to lure in fish. I was really hoping to get that, but I stopped to photograph and film a tank of a snapping turtle. In the process, I knocked my tripod over. My tripod had my camera on it, and I've probably totaled my camera body. So I'll flip this around and try to show you what that looks like. Well, I hope you can tell from this angle, but essentially the lens is no longer in a straight line with the body. And the lens mount, I can see, has been compressed on one side. So I'll send it into Sony, see what they say, but might be in for a new camera body. So, yep, my camera body's wrecked, and I'll go home, finish up the video, share that with you, and really appreciate you all joining me on this adventure in Wood Lake in Richfield, Minnesota, trying to beautifully photograph the green heron. Thanks.